Okay, so once you've registered your account in MEVBOT, you don't need to always type in the logins again all over. You understand? All you just need to do once your registration is successful and you verified your account, just let's say, for example, you want to log into your account now as a fresh timer after you've registered. Let's say you want to just log in. Always click on this section, this place. For those on some other Android, I think it's always something like this. Something, it's just a browser logo or something like. Just look, it will be at the right side here of your Phantom wallet. So once you get there, just click on it. Immediately you click on it, by default, we are going to be seeing this place, this place here. There's a tab. There will have been some tab open up there. You understand? So this particular side, let me circle it again so that you take notes. Once you click on it, this place is very, very important. Take note of it. This place, yeah, it's like a tab. You understand? If you have multiples of it, you can just close it until you have just one. You understand? It will be, and that one to have this place smart.money on it. You understand? So once it has loaded, you are good to go. The next thing is for you to just walk around all the major tabs. But for our home business, we just basically work with these two tab more, this MEV and this refer. You understand? And also this place, this wallet section. These are the major things you will use. This MEV side, this place is where you check out your earnings. This shows you your earnings. This side, the refer, shows you your team, how your team is growing. And this wallet side, this last one here, it shows you where to fund, where to do your withdrawals and all that. You understand? So let's say, for example, I want to go to the MEV. Just click on MEVBOT. You understand? Just scroll down. It will show you your accounts, all your earnings. You'll see it right here. If you want to withdraw, it shows you everything right here. So you see your earnings here. As your earnings is dropping real time, yesterday on your total earnings is also showing you. If you want to withdraw, you just click here. You understand? So that's about that. If you want to check your team, as I said, just click on the refer section. Just click on this refer section to show your team build. You understand? So here you are going to see okay, let's go up. You are going to see your link. You understand? If you are building, you need your link. So this is where you copy your link. You understand? If you just want to send only your code, invitation code, you can also copy this. But I prefer the link so that people can just click directly to it. You understand? So as they start registering also too, right here below you see your direct referrals, you see your indirect referrals here. You understand? So once you click on the details, it will show you everything, all your direct referrals, their investment, everything, you see it there. Your indirect referral, if you click on the details here, you also see them right here. You understand? So these are to just walk through your back office. You understand? So, and of course your earnings too, your 10% on your direct, your 5% on your direct, you start seeing it here. All the total amount earned by your team, you get 5% and 10%. You keep seeing it all here on this community reward section. So this is a beautiful opportunity that we can earn both passively and also actively, for building this and also investing in this. Thank you so much. God bless.